welcome back for a new episode from On Down the Road Productions. Terry and Piper. We are here, guys. What I want to do this video, really appreciate you here. Should be a quick video. I'll still go through it. On 5th gen 4Runners and a lot of other vehicles, the 2-inch receiver hitch likes to rust.
What?
I found out that it's not covered by the Toyota bumper-to-bumper vehicle warranty. So our truck is actually out of warranty since May 1st of this year. So what I'm going to do is do the repair under the supervision of Piper back here. Just show you the materials I use. We'll just do it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for being here. So let's go. What I've got going here is a Dremel tool. I had to wait a day or two to do this repair. You see this right here? These are like wire brush attachments I bought off of Amazon. Had to wait a day or two for them to come in for the Dremel. I'd rather do this with the Dremel than do it by hand, scrub it off by hand.
Whoa, whoa. Baby steps, please.
We've got our rust reformer that'll go on first after the rust is knocked off. And then semi-gloss protective enamel coverage, superior coverage and durability, gaffer's tape, and just some old advertising flyers I can use to tape up the valance around here so no paint gets here. Here's a good look at the rust for whoop. You can get an idea here of the rust that's going to come off. All right, guys, let's go.
Yes!
Okay, let's get to work. Getting down on my cranky knees. And let's get this Dremel going. Maybe scoot back this way. Turn up the RPMs. Yeah, working like a charm. Coming off real fast. Okay. Just a quick check here. All right, let's do this. Actually, a little bit of fun. Okay, so I need to replace this. All these bristles came off. Can you believe it? So let me do that and we'll be right back. Can you believe it? They all came off. All right, guys, give me a minute.
Well,
That's easy. Well, I hope you can see me here. I went with a different one. The last one was a cone, and I'll just drop it in here. I wasn't expecting that. And this one's in right here. Just let me tighten it. Okay, let's get back at it. Actually, this one works better. I should have started with this. Oh, it's working way better. Yeah, way better. Just using a really light touch here. Okay, for the purposes of this video, that'll be enough. I've got stuff nailing me in my face, and this one too, right here. All the bristles came right off of it. I'm done with this now, the Dremel for now. And what we're going to do next is just tape this off. And first step is Rust-Oleum rust reformer. Put a coat on, let that dry. And then semi-gloss black spray paint, and then we're done. Okay. I wish I had more newspapers, but so we'll just gaffer's tape. Don't worry about that shit. about here. There's that one going quick. Really nothing expert here to, I'm just tucking the paper in underneath the rear valance cover, which I still need to replace because I nicked it up towing a trailer once already. So I'm going to gaffer's tape like this. There you go. There you go, see? And then right here like this. I guess junk mail is good for something. Well, I don't care. All right, so this one about here. Okay. Gaffer's tape is real easy to. Okay. All right, and here's our rust reformer. Let's see. Here we go. It's already black. Oh, it's looking good. Let me look underneath. Oh yeah. It might be all that I need. Okay. That was rust reformer, and we're just going to let that dry. The surprise for me doing this was the Dremel tool, you know, falling apart. Those bristles falling apart. That was a shocker for me.
Everything's changed.
Okay, like I said, the rust reformer has dried up really well, and let's just do I spent some good time shaking up this semi-gloss protective enamel. I'll just spray it on. It should go great. There it goes. Okay, I guess this has got the tricky, the tricky cap. I'm just a knucklehead. All right, semi-gloss, just one for posterity. Okay, let's do it. Going quick. All right, let me scoot my skinny butt over to the other side, people. And we got Piper up there. She hasn't moved a bit. I expected more supervision from Piper. Okay, this will be the end of the semi-gloss treatment. All right, here we go. All right, that's it for me. Totally it for me. Okay guys, I'll let this dry, of course, and that's pretty much how you do rust removal on a 2-inch receiver on a 5th Gen 4Runner. And I just use junk mail to tape it off, and it's pretty much done. Let's just do this. Since I got you all, I know it's drying. All right, there it is. Pretty much all set, no overspray at all. Just checking to check. So there's a little spot here I can hit real quick. Oh boy. Let's see. All right, I hit it. And I really don't care about this valance because I nicked it right here, and I'm going to replace it anyway. So that's really it. So there you go. That's how it turned out. I'm happy with that. The rust is gone. It just looks a lot better. All right, guys, let's wrap up the video. Thanks for watching Mr. Knucklehead here. All right, guys, thank you. One final time, this is how it came out. Looking brand new. Totally brand new. Not a hard repair. Just wanted to share it with everyone, and it does look better to have the rust off. I gotta tell you, looks brand new again.
Yes!
Thank you for watching. Time to wrap up. Was happy to share this with you. Took about 3 or 4 days for me to get here. I want to thank the guys out on the Facebook 4Runner group again for your tips before we did this work here at On Down the Road Productions. Just thank you to all. I guess it went pretty quick. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in comments if you've done the same type of repair yet on your 4Runner, receiver hitch, or really any truck that's out there, because you know they all rust. The big thing for me was these Dremel wire brushes just fall apart. I was getting hit in the face by shards from the wire bristle falling apart, but I got through it. I got about 80% of the rust off, and I just sprayed over it with the rust preventer. Worked out pretty good, maybe 90% of the rust, so I have enough left over to do it 100 times if you ask me. Alright guys, remember life's not fair. Thank you for watching this DIY video again. We'll see you next episode. Keep fighting the good fight. Piper wasn't much of a supervisor, but what are you gonna do? She's the boss of me. We'll see you next episode. God bless. Thank you so much.